Let me give you a tour of the Unity Asset Store, linked from the course. You can also access it here at assetstore.unity.com. You're going to want to spend quite a bit of time researching what's here. So let me give you an introduction and show you different ways to navigate through this large site. So up at the top are the categories. You probably want to start with assets and decide whether you're doing 2D or 3D. There's also textures and materials, templates, animations, and then user interfaces. There's also tools such as terrain tools, animation tools, utilities, and intelligence AI tools here. You can also scroll down further, and then there's staff picks for top new assets, paid assets. Over here is the one you're probably going to want to focus on. These are the top new assets that are all free. And then down here are more popular assets. But here you can also browse by category. So let's say you're doing a 3D game. And that'll take you to this screen here. And the key here is you want to refine your search by doing 3D, 2D add-ons, audio, and so on. But then the pricing, I think, is the key. You want to do free assets right there. So this will show you all of the free 3D assets. And notice that there are examples, screenshots. In many cases, there's video of what the asset will look like. There's license type details on what the package includes, other things that were perhaps purchased with this one. You don't need to purchase anything. Most students do not, but some students find something that's just a bit irresistible and they go ahead and buy it. It's up to you. But notice that'll take you back to, you can add to the cart. You can add to your assets. I believe you can log in and kind of save collections. So let's say you wanted to find 2D free add-ons. So notice you can refine this so that you can spend the time efficiently looking through for the different kinds of assets that you need. So it's either way you can do it. So here are textures and materials. Here are 2D textures and materials that are free. So definitely take the time to research these. Anything that you can't find here, you'll have to make yourself or purchase. So it's well worth your time to find out what is here that will work for you and share it with the other students. You may want to go ahead and collect it even if you're not sure you'll need it. So you have a collection of assets ready to put into your game for the various milestones that you'll be encountering very soon.